CONREST PRO Plus is supplied with a special carrying bag and can be purchased individually or in combination with a leg support. To ensure quick and safe handling in an emergency, the rescue stretcher is equipped with color-coded click buckles. This almost completely eliminates the risk of confusion. To connect the leg support to the CONREST PRO Plus, first remove the protective caps by pulling them out. Then push the plug connection in until you hear it click into place. To place an accident victim on the half stretcher, prepare the adjustable headrest and open the abdominal belt. Position the CONREST PRO Plus near the person and gently pull or turn it onto the stretcher. Secure the patient's head to the headrest using the elastic straps. Fasten the waist belt. Now place the shoulder straps over your head to your chest. Take the strap with the chest pad and close the black and then the orange click buckle. Now close the leg straps using the matching colored buckles. Then tighten all straps, that only a flat hand fits between them. When tightening the upper straps, make sure that hat central attachment point on the chest remains in the correct position. Cross your arms and pull the rubber loops over the hands to fix them. Hang the carabiners of the gray straps webbing into the lower suspension loops. Then hang the carabiner on the black strap in the central suspension point. Now the stretcher can be attached to the previously installed lifting system using the swivel. To insert the leg support, first remove both protective caps at the lower end of the rescue stretcher. Hold the legs slightly high and connect the leg support to the rescue stretcher using the plug-in connection. Fix the legs with the leg strap with Velcro. For horizontal positioning, the rescue stretcher can easily be lifted at the foot end. By hooking the silver carabiner into the swivel, the horizontal position is fixed. Due to the different suspension points on the CONREST PRO Plus, it can also be used in a wide variety of situations. Horizontal transportation in confined spaces is easy to carry out thanks to the compact and modular design.